guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make 3 different types of doors. So let's get started. To make first door, we need iron door, iron block. Then we will need dropper. We will also need hopper. Then we will need the redstone repeater, redstone comparator, redstone repeater, redstone and redstone torch. And we will also need a block of redstone. So let's start. First make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 blocks of length. Then 1, 2, 1, 2. Fill the whole wall like this. You can take any block. I am using iron block. Then after 3 blocks, make a layer of the block like this. Then put your iron trapdoor facing the hinge to these blocks. Then fill it with the block of iron. Then after 1 block, take this, break and then put a dropper over here. Then put hopper facing into the dropper. Then you will need wool. I will use light blue wool. You can take any wool that you want, but I am using light blue wool. Now put the wool side of the hopper. Then put a redstone torch so that when you will put anything inside the hopper, it should not go inside the dropper. But if we break see, it suddenly goes inside the dropper. That should not happen. That's why we put redstone torch here. Then put light blue wool over here, here and here. So it should look like a C. And there should be a gap. Then put here wool and again put the wool above this. Then break this. Then put redstone comparator like this. The small tip should face to the wool. Then put redstone dust over here. And then put the redstone comparator over here. The small tip should face to the redstone dust and it should connect to this. Then we will also need a furnace for that. Then take furnace and put the furnace over here. Now our first stage is ready. Now for the second stage, put here a block of a redstone dust. Then you will need a redstone repeater, piston, we will need sticky piston. Then you will need a block of redstone. Now leave a gap over here and put a redstone repeater. Now put the piston over here. Then it should connect to the piston. Now put the block of redstone here. Dig this and put here redstone dust, 2 redstone dust. So then when you will attach the piston, means when you will on the piston, the door will suddenly activate. Now we will try once more and we will make a key card. To make key card, we need book and quill. Then we will need a block I will use wool only. You can take any block, wool, anything. Then we will need item frame. Now first put 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 block. Then put item frames. Open your book and type anything. I will type here only 1. You can type anything that you want. Then enter book title. Type here key card. Then sign and close. Now see, the book will look like this. Now put the book inside the item frame and break the wall. When you will break it, you will get 6 key cards. Put 5 key cards inside the item hopper. Then it should go inside the dropper. If it goes, then you are correct, and if it not goes, then you have done something wrong. Put here, then it should go inside the hopper. Now put a button over here. Like this. Then when you will put the key card inside the dropper, the door will suddenly activate. See. Now for the inner side, for that put a button over here in the middle. Then put a wool block and connect the redstone to the block. So when you put the button on, the door will suddenly activate. Like this. Remove the key card. Then if you will try, then also it will not work. Put the key card inside the dropper, suddenly activates. Now for the second door, for that we need sticky piston, redstone dust, redstone repeater, a block. I will use light blue wool. You can choose any block that you want. Then put here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Leave 2 blocks of gap. Then put here 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Now again make one layer of these blocks. Again make one layer. And they should attach like this. Then put a sticky piston by leaving a gap over here. Put 4 sticky pistons like this. Then put here 1, 2, 3 and 4 like this sticky pistons, and do same for the other side. After doing that, it should look like this. Put your block above the pistons and again make a layer of block. Now where the pistons are not there, put the redstone repeater on 1 and here also 1 tick. Then put your redstone dust over here and here. Then you will also need redstone torch and a lever. Now put your redstone torch over here, so it will activate suddenly. Then fill it with a block of your wall. Then opposite to the redstone torch, put a lever. Now when you will on the lever, the door will suddenly activate. Off the lever, there will be no wall. So this was our second time. Now for the third time. For that we need beacon. Then we will need a redstone repeater. Then we will need redstone dust, lever, and we will need fence gate. You can take any fence gate, but I will take birch fence gate. And you will also need carpet. You can take any carpet. I will choose orange carpet. Then dig 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here also dig 1, 2, 3 and 4. And dig everything. It should be 3 blocks deep. Then put your block of iron. You will need only block of iron because the beacon only activates when there is block of iron. If you put any other block, the beacon will not activate. Then put the beacons like this, it activates suddenly. But when you will put the block of wool or any block, it will not activate. You will need block of iron only. Wait, it will activate. It activates suddenly. Now put your birch fence gate above this beacon and put a block that you want. I will use the block of wool only. Then dig this also. It should be 3. Then put your redstone repeater over here like this on 0 ticks. Then put your redstone dust here like this and put the lever. Then when you will on the lever, the gates will suddenly activate. Off the lever, gates will deactivate. Now put your orange carpet over here like this. Like this. Now it will look like this. Then when you will on the lever, you will be able. Off the lever, then also you are able. Now to make it lock, put 3 blocks that you want and do same for the other side. But it should be in the line of the beacon. Then you will need glass. I will use redstone glass. You can use any glass. But if you put block, the beacon will suddenly deactivate. See like this. If you will put the block, the beacon will deactivate. See. Now put glass, the beacon will suddenly activate. Now you are not able to go from this lever on. Now you are able to go. If you want to do same for the other side, then dig here also like this and put here block that you want like this and then put redstone repeater facing to the birch fence gate and you will need redstone dust. Put redstone dust over here and put a lever. So now put carpet over here. Like this. And now on the lever you are able, off you are not able. So This was our 3 types of doors. If you like it, then please subscribe and like my channel.